Agra, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed 12th from UP Board. I am pursuing BSc from Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar University. My father is a farmer, my mother is a homemaker. And my hobby is listening the song. And I want to join Indian Air Force as an activity because I am highly inspired of the motto of Indian Air Force. Now is first become, which means to touch the sky with glory. So all that's all of me.
Everyone, my name is Rohit. I am from Agra, UP. I have completed my 12th from UP Board. Now I am pursuing my BSc from Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar University. My father is a filmmaker. My mother is a homemaker. My hobbies are playing cricket and dancing. I want to join Indian Air Force because I am highly inspired by the motto of Indian Air Force. Now is Varsam Deeptam, which means touch the sky with glory, which is taken from the 11th chapter of Gita. That's all about me. Now I would like to tell you which topic education handling. The topic related to online learning is offline learning. Offline learning is a traditional methods in which we can learn anything without spending money. So I think it is a good way of offline learning. I am from Agra and now I am 12th class with the UP Board and now I am pursuing BSc from Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar University. There are 5 members in my family, one brother and one sister. My hobby is playing cricket and I want to join Indian Air Force as an Agniveer because I am highly inspired by the motto of Indian Air Force. Now Varsam Deeptam, which means touch the sky with glory. That's all about me. And now I am come to my topic, which is offline education versus online education.
Agra in Uttar Pradesh. I have completed 12th class from UP. I have recently completed ITI from NCBT. My father is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker. My hobby is playing cricket and football. I want to join Indian Air Force as an Agniveer. Because I highly inspired the motto Indian Air Force Never Varsam Deeptam, which means to touch the sky with glory. So now I am discuss one topic. This topic online education and offline education. Online, dear friends, education is a very advanced with technology, leading to the rise online education alongside offline education. Online education are better flexibility, accessibility, and
in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is on Air Force. I wanted to join Indian Air Force because I have highly skilled of the motto in Air Force. Now is first victim, which means to the sky of glory. Now I am discussing about the topic. Education has become advanced with the technology.
Highly inspired by the motto of Indian Air Force, Now Varsam Deeptam, which means to touch the sky with glory. I come to the topic. The topic is related to online versus offline education. Online and offline educations both have their advantage and disadvantage. Online education cheap and time saving, but required discipline. Online education expensive and time consuming, but create a study environment. It depends on the individual performance and circumstance.
My name is Abhishek Swami. I am from Agra, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my 12th in PCM from UP Board. I am pursuing my graduation from Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar University. My father is a farmer, my mother is a homemaker, and I want to join Air Force. I joined Air Force as Agniveer because I have highly inspired with the motto of Indian Air Force, Now Varsam Deeptam, which means that to touch the glory of sky, which is taken from the 11th chapter of the Bhagavad Gita. And that's all about it.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Kaushal Singh. I belong to Agra in Uttar Pradesh. I have completed 12th class from State Board. There are 6 members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. My hobbies are the playing cricket and reading a book. I want to join Indian Air Force because I am Agniveer. I am highly inspired by motto. I am highly by inspired my motto, I Indian Air Force now serve Deeptam, which means touch the sky with glory. Now I would like tell you about the topic which has been assigned to me. I will discuss about the topic online learning and offline learning. Online learning is a system in which can be do study by electronic device such a laptop, computer is called online learning. There are several benefits of the online learning. We can be save our time. Online learning is a will never stop during the pandemic.